Good morning, Derrick Sanderson coming at you from Keller Williams Realty in Chico, California. So this is Monday Morning Market Update. Every Monday I take a look at what's going on in the single family residential housing market here in Chico, California. As always, if you have any questions about any other segment of the real estate market, whether it's in Chico or anywhere in Butte County, definitely reach out and I would love to be able to get you those numbers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at some numbers, shall we? So change up the format just a little bit today. So we're gonna quick go over what's right now. So as of 8:30 this morning, we have 104. That's it, 104 single family residential homes on the market here in Chico. If you've been keeping track with this at all with me, these are crazy, crazy low numbers, especially when you look at the number of pendings. There's 160 homes pending right now here in Chico. Again, that's single family residential. Again, I'm going to sound like a broken record. So for those of you who follow this on a week-to-week basis, these historically low active homes on the market, it's being driven by crazy low interest rates hovering right around 3%. So that's pushing more buyers into the market. But in Chico, we've had a housing shortage for a long time that was exacerbated by the Camp Fire 2 years ago. And it just continues to be an issue. So if you've thought about selling, you're definitely going to want to do that sooner than later. So if you have any questions about that, feel free. You can hit me up when I throw my number on the screen here in a few minutes. You can shoot me a text or give me a call, and we can talk about what that looks like for you individually, or if you're looking to buy. So let's jump back in. So there's 104 homes on the market. The median list price for these homes comes in at $489,770. So you might go, wow, Derrick, that's a lot of money. Well, here's the deal. It's the median. So the difference between median and average. So median is you take the least expensive to the most expensive. You line them up and then you go bam, right in the middle. That's your median list price. Whereas the average, you actually take all of them, add them up, and then divide by the number that is actually on the market. So a little bit different numbers there, but for consistency, I go over median list price. Now, what is the average days on market for these 104 homes? It's holding steady at 64 days. So about 2 months is the average that these homes are sitting on the market. You'll see here in just a minute when we take a look at the weekly, the month in review, that days on market has dropped significantly. But let's quick jump in and take a look at this is what's going on in the last 7 days here in Chico. So we've only had 17 new listings, which is actually up by 5 compared to last week. Pending, active, under contract, 32 homes have essentially gone off the market because they're under contract. And then we've got that fun number there, 27 homes sold in the last 7 days. So that sold means they just closed. Typical escrow in our area is about 30 to 40 days. Just kind of depends on what's going on with appraisal. So that's what's going on right now. That's what's going on in the last 7 days. And change up the format a little bit. Let's take a look here. This is the numbers for the last 30 days here in Chico. So we've got 111 homes that have sold with an average of only 18 days on market. That's incredible. That's less than 3 weeks. So what that means is those 111 homes, you take the days on market of all those and you divide it by 111. 18 days. Massive gap compared to this number. You want to see my face? Compared to this number right here. So if you price your home correctly, it's gonna fly off the market. It's just incredible. I have not seen that low of a days on market for a 30-day average since the campfire. Just blows my mind. And then there we've got the average close price sitting in at just over $485,000. So that's kind of a snapshot real briefly of the last 30 days of what's kind of going on. I mentioned earlier, mortgage rates this morning I checked out, hovering right about 3%. So again, if you've thought about buying, now's the time. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. This is my cell phone number down here in the bottom left corner of the screen. Shoot me a text, give me a call. I'd love to be able to talk to you about any questions you have in the real estate market. Otherwise, I hope you have an incredible week. Stay safe. We're supposed to hit some triple digits. Welcome to fall in Chico. I'll see you all next Monday.